Indicators back here. So we were trading that cash account, and our daily goal is this is week 2, so this is $300 per day. So we've already hit our goal, we just haven't closed it out yet. I'm going to tighten up my stop loss to the Maverick guide. And we're in only 2 micros. And why are we in this trade? Well, let me walk you through it and why we're going to hit our daily cash goal on this cash account. Then we'll move on and we'll trade our funded account. So essentially, what'd you have here? We had this huge rip down. We took some of this. Then you started getting this sideways action. And the Maverick, you had a reversal candle. And if you would have hung in here through this sideways action, but we wouldn't have taken this trade. But we finally got a gray reversal candle, which really would be this one. And then you just went sideways, and then you had a nice one here, popped up. You broke this whole, let me show you this, guys. Price action first, okay? This is just sideways box. And then we broke out of this box with a reversal candle, which is gray. And if you look at it, it's pretty interesting because now we're above the Maverick guide. This blue line is the Maverick guide. When you're below it, you go short. When you are above it, sorry, I got a lot on my screen here. When you're above it, we go long. When you're above the blue line, you go long. When you're below it, you go short. Okay, and that's just one of the ingredients. Now we have broken and closed above the Maverick guide. So we're going long again because we have a reversal candle. We're starting to get green candles, although it's having a hell of a time right here. But we're starting to get green candles. Your Maverick Bear Bull called it way back here that the bulls were in control. All the way back here it said, no, bulls are taking over. And pretty sweet. Your Maverick Trender has not picked up on it yet because you don't really have a trend yet. We just reversed. We just pivoted. And then your Maverick Multi-X. Think of this as 5 traders, all with a completely different style. Trader 1 through Trader 5, completely different style. All voting across 7 time frames. Now I normally have it for 6, but I put on a 7th time frame, and you can set these time frames for whatever you want. But Trader 1 through Trader 5 are all voting on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3, the 5, the 10, the 30, the 60. And again, you can set these for the 4 hour, the 2 hour, whatever you want. All 5 traders who have a completely different style, they're all voting bullish on the 1 minute. They're all voting bullish on the 2 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, and they're starting to crack into the 10 minute. So when we stack probability, when we have a green background on the Maverick AI Pro, because this is looking at the data behind the scenes, when you got a green background on the Maverick AI Pro, when you have a reversal candle, this gray reversal candle, then you have green candle, and then hopefully we can start getting green candle and bright green candle. When your Maverick Bear Bull is saying for the last 1, 2, 3, 20 minutes, it said that the bulls are in control. And then when all 5 traders are voting bullish on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, and they're starting to crack into the 10 minute, we're stacking probability. By the way, also you're above your Maverick guide. And something else I didn't mention, you started to get up confidence arrows. 1, 2, 3 up confidence arrows. So it's a beautiful thing. So we're just waiting here. And we'll see where this plays out. I got my stop loss around the Maverick, a little bit under the Maverick guide. And are we going to reclaim all of this that we dropped down? Are we going to get to this half? This is a pivotal point. Look right here. That's your old support area. You broke past it. Okay, we're in 2 micros and we're up $170. We're only in 2 micros. We're making 50 cents per tick per contract. That is nothing, folks. If I was trading 2 minis, I'd be up $1,700. But again, I threw, if you're new to the channel, I threw $5,000. We have a ton of funded accounts, but for fun, I threw $5,000 into a cash account, and now we're just trading micros to grow that cash account. Last week, my goal was about $200 per day, and then this week, my goal is about $250, $300 per day. We've already closed out, I don't remember what it was, 200 and something bucks. I already posted that trade. And then obviously we took a ton of this last night. We risked $20 and we made $400 or something last night. In our sleep. which was beautiful. So go back and watch that video if you haven't. Oh, Maverick Trender just pegged to the top. You now have a uptrend label. Maverick Trender pegged to the top, uptrend label. The bulls are in control. Okay, bulls are in control on the bear bull indicator. You now have your second green candle. You went from gray reversal candle to green candle. If we can get some bright green candles, I'll be very excited. And then all 5 traders are voting across 6 time frames, and they're all bullish on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, almost all the 10 minute, and almost all the 30 minute. So we're starting, oh, up confidence arrow. Love it. Up confidence hero. Do you see that pop in? Yeah, let's go. Now these indicators calculate per tick. They do not repaint, but they calculate per tick. Once the candle's closed, that's it. But every tick, it is doing so much calculation. It is insane. And we're up almost, 180 bucks on 2 little itty bitty micros. That is nothing. So now I'm going to bring myself up to break even, protect my capital. We are trading a cash account. And actually, I told myself I would just hit my goal and then move on for the day. So if I close this out, we're looking to do about $300 per day. This would be like almost 1.5x. My daily goal on this cash account, because I do just want to trade my funded accounts. I trade much heavier on my funded accounts. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to close out half of this, which will bring me to my daily goal of at least 300 bucks. And just want to make sure I only grabbed 1 contract. I'm going to close out half of this, which would get me to that $300 mark. Okay, so we just closed out what we needed. We're more than our daily goal of 300 bucks now. And now I'm going to take this. I'm going to add a couple ticks to pay for commissions. I'm going to let this thing ride. And if it comes back down and takes me out, I already hit my cash goal for the day, right? I made more than the $300 I wanted as my daily goal for this week. Okay. And but if it keeps going, it keeps going, baby. And this thing might trend for the rest of the day. I don't know. I'm going to watch the indicators. I'm going to let them tell me, but right now they're very bullish. Green background, green candles, reversal candle, up confidence arrows. Bear bull is all bulls in charge. Your Maverick Trender's pegged to the top. It can't go any further. Strength and momentum. You have an uptrend label. And then all 5 traders, trader 1 through trader 5, they're all voting bullish on the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, almost all the 10 minute, almost all the 30 minute. 60 minutes going to turn the slowest, right? Because you just had this whole move down for, since the open till, so for an hour you were down. So your 1 hour chart's going to turn slower. So look, we're only at 1 little itty bitty micro. Isn't this funny? We're making 50 cents a tick. And we're crushing it right now. Okay. So my goal per day on this $5,000 account last week was $200 per day. This week it's going to be about $250 to $300 per day. Next week I'll bump it up to like $450. And I'm just going to keep compounding this cash account. I don't have to worry about any trailing drawdown rules or prop firm rules. I don't have to get approved for a withdrawal. You know what I mean? And I'm just going to kind of have fun, use the Maverick indicators to grow this cash account. Okay. So again, a financial advisor, which I am not, do your own research, not financial advice, but a financial advisor. If I went to my financial advisor with $5,000, they'd think I was happy if they gave me 10% on my money per year. Well, shoot, 10% of my money is only $500. You know what I'm saying? We threw $5,000 into this account. I just showed you 2 trades. Go back to my YouTube that we're over. With this, we're over $400. You know what I mean? In a day. So anyway, pretty interesting stuff. But we're always grateful for what we have here with the markets and day trading and all that stuff. So if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want the indicators I wish I had when I first started, come check us out. Not financial advice, do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying. It's just too fun. It's just too fun. And it's even more fun when you have clear vision on your charts. So come check us out, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.